Hi everyone, this is Fine from Tech Gaming Villa. I hope you all are well. Today I'm going to talk about the brand new 55-inch Samsung Q8FA TV, which is 2025 model TV. This is one of the Samsung's premium QLED TVs designed to give you fantastic brightness, vibrant colors, and excellent gaming performance. If you are wondering whether the Samsung Q8FA is worth buying in 2025 for movies, sports, Netflix, or gaming on your PlayStation 5 or Xbox, then stick around because in this review, I will cover everything you need to know before making a purchase.
If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications and upcoming videos. I have another channel named Tech Gaming Villa where I upload similar kind of tech videos like TV comparison, sound system, home theater. You can check and subscribe.
If you see this TV's design and build quality, it's sleek, slim profile with a premium metal finish. It has minimal bezels, give a borderless viewing experience. Stand versus wall mount, stable stand, but looks amazing wall mounted. The build quality feels premium, strong materials, not cheap plastic. Back panel has neat cable management channels. If you care about aesthetics in your living room, this TV definitely passes the test. It's one of those models that looks as good as it does when it is on. QLED panel with quantum dot technology, brighter and more color accurate than standard LED. If I talk about this display technology, it has 4K resolution with deep clarity, HDR support, HDR10, HDR10 Plus, HLG, but no Dolby Vision. It's extremely bright panel. It has excellent for well-lit rooms. This TV provides high contrast ratio, deep blacks, through not as perfect as OLED. This TV shines literally in brightness if you're someone who watches in a brightly living room with lots of sunlight. The Q8FA is built for you. If you see the picture quality and HDR performance, this TV has excellent HDR impact thanks to its high brightness. This TV has wide color gamut. It is great for vibrant animations, sports, and nature documentaries. The motion handling is smooth, ideal for fast-paced sports and action movies. The black levels are strong for QLED, but in dark rooms, you'll notice some blooming around bright objects. The upscaling engine is solid, especially 1080p content looks sharp. If you want the cinematic HDR punch without stepping into OLED territory, this TV really delivers. This TV uses Samsung's Q4 AI processor. This processor helps optimize any viewing and sound experience for 4K TVs. And if you see this picture quality, which is nice, 100% color volume with quantum dot, real quantum dot technology delivers the finest picture ever with color volume 100%. Quantum dot takes light and turns it to breathtaking colors that stay true at various level of brightness. This TV has Color Booster Pro. The AI recognizes each scene and enhances color expression accordingly, so your viewing experience become more vivid and dynamic. And this TV meet a new level of HDR that dynamically analyzes each scene to deliver better brightness and contrast. Quantum HDR Plus creates more immersive colors and richer details, allowing you to enjoy a better cinematic experience. This TV 4K upscaling is good. It has powerful 4K upscaling technology which ensures you get up to 4K resolution for the content you love. Let's talk about its gaming performance. This TV has HDMI 2.1 support for next-gen consoles like PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X. This is a 120Hz refresh panel TV, not 60Hz. Like any other 120Hz TV, this TV supports variable refresh rate, facing premium support. This TV provides low input lag, which is fantastic for competitive gaming. This TV's input lag around 10 milliseconds. The game mode optimizes brightness, contrast, and latency. Gamers, you are in for a treat. Playing Call of Duty, Fortnite, or even cinematic titles like Horizon and God of War feels buttery smooth on this display. For gaming, this TV has motion accelerator, which experiences a clear picture as your TV estimates the movement between frames, then uses that information to improve motion smoothness for subsequent frames. And this TV has ARE auto game mode, which let your TV detect the type of game you are playing and optimize the setting. You can free yourself from the usual setup hassle and just play. It has game bar feature which optimizes your gameplay even more. With game bar, Samsung TVs give you a handy in-game menu for settings like FPS, input like minimap, zoom, and more. It also lets you apply ultra-wide aspect ratios of 21:9 and 32:9 to expand your view on bigger screens. Let's talk about its audio performance. This TV has built-in speakers which are decent, 20 watt, 2 channel, total 40 watt output depending on size. It has adaptive sound plus object tracking sound light, more immersive than standard TV speakers. Still lacks bass. I recommend pairing with a Samsung Q series soundbar. The sound is clean, dialogue is clear, but if you are after cinema level immersion, you will definitely want external audio. Now I want to talk about its smart features and software. This TV powered by Tizen operating system, which is fast, responsive, and user-friendly. It supports all major streaming apps like Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, YouTube, Apple TV. Samsung TV Plus, which is free live channels included. And this TV works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Bixby. And also features like multi-view feature, which you can use for split screen for multitasking. Now I want to talk about its advantages and disadvantages. This TV has superb brightness and HDR performance. It is great for gaming with HDMI 2.1, VRR, and low input lag. And premium design and build will satisfy you. This TV has excellent motion handling and wide app support with Tizen operating system. But the downside of this TV, it has no Dolby Vision support. And this TV blooming in a very dark scenes may not satisfy you. And audio could be better without a soundbar. So finally, I want to say, is the Samsung Q8FA worth buying? Well, if you are looking for a premium QLED TV that balances stunning brightness, vibrant colors, smooth gaming, and strong smart features, the Samsung Q8FA is an excellent choice. It's perfect for bright living rooms, sports lovers, gamers, and anyone who wants a high-quality 4K TV without going all the way to OLED pricing. If you prioritize absolute black levels and Dolby Vision, you may want to look at OLED alternatives. But if brightness, HDR punch, and gaming features are your top priorities, the Samsung Q8FA or Samsung Q8F, named in some other countries, is one of the best options in its class. So what's your thought about this TV? Please write in the comments below. That's it from now.